What's the meaning of blaze? Blaze. Blaze.
Blaze. Blaze. The word blaze can have multiple meanings, both literal and figurative. At its most basic definition, blaze refers to a bright and intense flame or fire. However, it can also be used to describe a trail that has been marked out, typically in a forest, using a series of markers known as blazes. More figuratively, blaze can be used to indicate something that is highly visible or prominent, such as a blazingly fast sports car or a political scandal that has captured the nation's attention. Additionally, blaze may refer to a sudden and dramatic outbreak of something, such as a blaze of anger or a blaze of talent.